The More Birds Bird Health Plus Ruby Hummingbird Feeder is a high-quality product designed specifically for attracting and nourishing hummingbirds. Built by More Birds, a reputable brand known for its dedication to bird health and well-being, this feeder is a must-have for bird enthusiasts of all levels. Crafted from a combination of glass and plastic materials, this feeder is not only durable but also provides a clear view of the contents, making it easy to monitor and refill as needed. The ruby color is attractive to hummingbirds and adds a touch of elegance to any outdoor space. One of the standout features of this feeder is the built-in ant moat. This innovative addition helps prevent ants from accessing the nectar, ensuring that your feathered friends can enjoy a safe and clean feeding environment. This thoughtful design element sets the More Birds Bird Health Plus Ruby Hummingbird Feeder apart from other similar products on the market.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.